All right, everybody, what are we looking at today? Well, yesterday we bought the market, and the market's higher today. So you know what we're going to look at right now? We're going to look at silver. I'm talking about SLV in the news because of all the things that are going on in Mexico and across the world. Look at silver volatility. That's the thing. Now, silver down $1 today. Its volatility is through the roof. Matter of fact, over the last 5 days, it's up 16%. That's just the volatility on the options of silver. So for me, what I'm looking to do here, I'm looking to buy one call, sell two calls. I'm talking about doing a ratio spread in here. Why looking to do a ratio spread? Well, I'm looking to do a ratio spread in here because silver has upside call skew, meaning that the call equal distance away from the stock price is significantly higher than the put. Let's take a look at that for you. I'm going to go into here, into the trade page. This is the trade I'm doing. Silver SLV trading about $80. $20 away is the 100 strike, trading for around $5. Let's look at what the 60 put is trading for. The 60 put, when we get down here in these $half strikes, is trading for $2. Now, all things being equal, silver has just as much a chance to go up as it does to go down. But the perceived volatility in here is to the upside, meaning it's going to make bigger moves to the upside than the downside. So you have call skew. That means call spreads trade cheap. So I'm going to buy a call spread, buy the 100 call one time, sell the 110 call one time, and then sell an extra 110 call. Now, I did this for $2.45, which gives me a 92% probability of success. Obviously, my extrinsic value is $240 or $245 or whatever you sell it for. And my break even is all the way up by this green line over 120, the old highs that I don't think we're going to see again in the next 52 days. If you don't think we're going to see it again today, this might be a good trade for you. Now, when I look at this, the most I can make on this trade is not just the $245 that I sold it for, but it's also the distance between this long call spread we have. This 100-110 could be worth $1,000 if SLV is 110 at expiration 52 days from now. Now, that's not highly likely, but there is a chance it would happen because you look at the delta on this 110 call, it's 25. You look at the delta on this 60 put, even though it's equal distance away and it's only 14. Ladies and gentlemen, that's two ways to look at volatility skew, and that's one way to take advantage of this call volatility by doing a 1-by-2 ratio spread. Omnidirectional, slightly bullish because you can make more money on the upside, but you really want the stock to go lower and you collect that credit that you sold, maybe even make a quick buck or two if the stock sells off $5 or $7 in a short period of time. All right, everybody, you know what I want you to do right now. I want you to open, move, transfer, bring your account. This is my big ask. Bring your account to Tasty Trade so we can do everything here at Tasty Live free into perpetuity.